Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need to enable the console now so commands will work. Open Steam and add console to Valheim launch options. This starts the developer interface. Once done, launch the game and press F5 to open the console. Make sure your save files are backed up. This prevents data loss when running administrative commands. You will use console commands to inspect and alter game state, so the enable step is essential. It unlocks everything that follows. Now you will learn how to run commands safely. Type help to see available commands, and help followed by a command for usage details. Use God for invulnerability and fly to move freely. Use spawn with a prefab name and amount to create items. Make sure to call yourself admin if required, and always save the game and pause before major changes. These habits reduce mistakes and let you test commands without wrecking progress, so follow them every time. Finish by applying more advanced commands and recovery steps. Use pause and teleport to move players or correct clipping. Use debug and list to inspect entities and performance. For corrupted objects, run reset prefabs or restart the server session to clear glitches. If something goes wrong, check the console logs, restore your backup save, and restart the game. Sometimes removing console temporarily helps. These final checks get you back to a playable state and explain why each recovery step is necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.